I'm losing my eyes. Do not. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Hasti and today we are at the street, but there's something very special, guys. It's near our holiday, New Year holiday, which we call Nowruz. I'm so excited about it, and we are in the most crowded street in Yazd, Imam Street, right? Imam Street, and there are a lot of people in here shopping for New Year, and let's go, let's go.
Nowruz.
Okay, I realized in the comment section that you're interested in everyday life in Yazd or in Iran. So I'm taking this video, I'm making this video for you, and one of the things that everyone do when it's near New Year is for sure shopping, and I'm looking for it. I hope I find something that I like and I'll buy. Okay. I'm looking for shoes. I need one, and yes, let's see if I can find.
Yes. آقا سلام. سنست. رنگ دیگه
I have this one. As you see, the weather is so nice. It's cloudy, and every time that Yazd is cloudy, it's windy at the same time. I have no idea why. And unfortunately, since we live in desert area, it's not just wind, it's a lot of dirt all over in the air and in my eyes. It's supposed to be much more crowded, but because of the weather, a lot of people prefer to stay at home. And yes, and unfortunately a lot of the stores are closed too because of the weather. We are not used to this kind of weather at all. Yes, it's most of the time sunny, super sunny, and this weather is so abnormal. I'm losing my eyes. Yeah, sunglasses. I feel like it wasn't a very clever idea to go shopping today or even go walking. So bad, and you may not believe it, it's cloudy, windy and hot at the same time. I'm dying. The worst part about today is that I can't find a pair of shoes that I like. Am I picky? Maybe. I don't know. It doesn't, I don't know. This one? My sister has bought it already. She will kill me if I buy a shoe like her. Someone is so hungry in here, and that person is me, so I need to eat something. I'm hungry. Do you want some?
What?
Do not. Do you remember that I told you that I have a sweet tooth? Yeah. May I? Which one? Do not. I'm exhausted and our car is far away from here. Okay, that's it guys. I'm so tired. I'm exhausted, but finally I'm safe. Let me give you some additional information. After 10 days, around 10 days, yeah, is our New Year holiday or Nowruz, which is very important. I'm gonna make a video introducing that, describing it, and before that, in Tuesday or Wednesday, we're gonna have a video about Çaharshanbe Suri. It's another Persian festival that's important too. So stay tuned for those two important videos. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, guys. You know, I sacrificed my life for it. I was dying out there. And let me tell you, at the end, I could not buy shoes. I hope you liked it. If you did, please be sure to give the thumbs up, click that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and love you all, guys. See you later. Stay tuned. Bye.